Ever wondered how to set up your own online store? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. Today, we'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps. Firstly, you need to choose an e-commerce platform. Options like Shopify are known for their ease of use, providing a comprehensive solution with hosting, security, and support all included. Alternatively, WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress, offers more customization options but requires you to manage hosting and domain. After settling on a platform, it's time to sign up and set up your account. This involves entering your business name and other related details. Next, choose a domain name. It should reflect your business and be easy to remember. You can purchase a domain through your e-commerce platform or use an existing one. The fourth step is to select a theme and customize your store. You'll want to choose a theme that matches your brand and the type of products you plan to sell. Customize this theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand style. Now it's time to add products to your store. This includes images, descriptions, and prices. Organize these products into categories and tags to ensure easy navigation for your customers. Payment and shipping options are the next things to set up. Choose and configure payment gateways such as credit cards, PayPal, or Stripe. You'll also need to set up shipping options, including shipping rates, regions, and carriers. Don't forget to configure taxes and legal settings based on your business location and the regions you sell to. Your store should also have legal pages like privacy policy, terms and conditions, and return policy. Before launching, test your store. Make sure all functions are working properly, including adding products to the cart, payment processing, and order fulfillment. It's also important to test your store on different devices to ensure a good user experience. Now, you're ready to launch your store. Once everything is set up and tested, start promoting your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract customers. Finally, monitor and optimize your store. Use analytics tools provided by your e-commerce platform to monitor your store's performance. Continuously optimize your store's design, products, and marketing strategies to improve sales and customer experience. In conclusion, setting up an online store involves choosing an e-commerce platform, setting up your account, selecting a domain name, customizing your store, adding products, setting up payment and shipping options, configuring taxes and legal settings, testing your store, launching, and finally monitoring and optimizing. By following these steps, you can create a professional online store and start selling your products to customers worldwide.